Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing an unboxing. This product is JBL T450 Bluetooth wireless headphone with mic. This is JBL pure bass sound, and it have 11-hour battery life, call and music control on air cup, flexible and lightweight and comfortable, and the Bluetooth is 4.0. So let's open it. So this is it. It's so nice. Oh, that is the charger. The manual. The color is not dark, and original color is light, not a dark. So let's untie. So this is it. That is soft. The area is just soft. It's not pain. So you will be comfortable. So this have adjustable. That's the charger area. The foldable, it's easy. If you want to put it in your bag, it's easy to put it because it's foldable. There's a power and the volume. Besides of your phone, you have also a volume. Disclaimer: this product is not sponsored. So this is the 2-color on sale.